Yo, what up everybody? It's your boy Peace-Eye. Welcome back to another video. Today I've got my little brother here, and we're going to be trying some cheesecake that I made that I didn't put any sugar in. Everything else is basically normal. I'll give you a brief recipe of it after we try it, but we're going to try it and give it a rating. So let's check this out. It tastes terrible.
Can't believe I ate that.
Oh my god. It's like sour. Alright, so here's how I made it. I took almond flour and I melted butter with it and mixed it up. That's the crust. I layered that on the bottom of the pan and I cooked that at 350 for 10 minutes. After that I poured in the batter, which is 4 packages of cream cheese, 4 eggs, a cup of sour cream, a cup of Greek yogurt, and a cup of heavy cream along with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Normally, to that, you would add an entire cup of sugar. That's the ingredient that I left out. So this will definitely need some berries on top or something, right?
It needs a lot more than berries.
Because it's missing basically a ton of sugar. But I don't eat sugar anymore. Actually, it kind of grows on you. It's not that bad. I'd probably give this like a 6 out of 10, honestly. What would you give it?
2.
2 out of 10. You heard it here first, guys. Well, thanks for watching the video. I'll write the recipe again for you guys in the description if you want to try it out. I'd recommend either a lot of the recipes online for the keto cheesecake or whatever used like artificial flavoring, or not artificial flavoring, artificial sweeteners like Stevia extract or monk fruit or whatever, or erythritol, but I decided to just go without that, so I'm definitely going to need to add something to this, like honey or something, because it just tastes really cheesy. Look at how depressed he looks. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.